Hello and Namaskar. Welcome to another session of BW for HANA Tidbits, where I share some of my knowledge and experience.
My name is Dibanshu Mukherjee, and today we are going to discuss transpose data in SAP HANA. Many a times a requirement comes when we have to change the data from rows to column and from columns to rows. This is called transposing the data. And today, with a very simple example, we will see how we can easily achieve this using a HANA calculation view. So without any further ado, let's get started.
How do we achieve transpose, like rows to column and column to rows?
Transpose you can use with union. With union, it can be easily achieved, transposing. So let me give an example. I think we already did that in previous batch, so I can show you that. Where did I do that? Let me see. Calculation views. Yeah. Okay. So there is a CV which I created. I'm going to show you that CV. Okay. How do we do transpose in SAP HANA? So before doing transpose, you first have to understand the data and what is the requirement. So this is your data, right? So in my table, in my base table, this is my data. January 25, February 41, March 39, April 20th. For every month from January to October, we have the rows. We have the quantities. Say for example, these are quantities, right? Now the requirement is to transpose it. Meaning I should have January, February, March, April as rows instead of columns. And these 25, 41 also should be in rows. January should have 25, February should have 41, March 39. So basically it's transposing the data. Okay. Did you understand what the transpose exactly means? Any questions on this? You should first understand the requirement. What is being asked? What is the requirement? So this is the data in an Excel. If we put same thing, right? Okay, anyways, it's going to take time. So we are already over time. So I'm not going to put it in Excel, but just imagine that this is now January 25, one row, February 41, another row, March 39, another row. This is what is called transposing. How do you achieve that? You have to achieve it via a union node. So what I am doing here is, first I have taken the table where the row format is there. This format is there. Okay, keep that in mind. This is very important. Let me take a screenshot of this. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm creating projection nodes. This is only for January. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting January here. That's all. So what is the data output for this node? This output will only give me Jan 25. That's all. Similarly, I have for Feb, I have for March, I have for April, I have for May, all the way to December. I have that. Only that particular months are chosen. For October, it is October. September, it is September. So on and so forth. Then the main thing is happening in the union node. Please pay very close attention here. In the union, I have a column which I have created. You can create a column, an additional column which is not coming from the source. You can create an additional column which is month name, because you know what was the requirement? Remember the requirement? It should be month name and then January 25, February. So the column name should be month, and then we should have another column which is value. The first column will give us month, second column will give us values. So month I am creating. Now if you see the mappings of this particular month, I have given the constant values for each source projection node. So for April projection node, it is April. August, it is August. Feb, it is Feb. So whatever projection node is there, constant value I have mapped. Then actual values I am getting from these nodes, because this is actually giving me the value, right? For January, if you see, January has value, which it will give me. So value is mapped from all the projection nodes. But month is a created column where I am giving a constant value for every month. Then it's a simple aggregation, month name and then value. value, since it can be aggregated, so I have kept value as a key figure. And then if you do a data preview here, the data will be transposed. Now you will have month name and all the month. So basically from here we went here. This is called transposing. It can be very easily done using a union node. So you have to provide multiple projection node first of all, make individual components in multiple projection and then union them together. Clear?
Yes, correct.